What if the future of transportation didn't rely on roads or runways? Imagine a world where goods, people, and systems move in the sky. Without emissions, without borders. Welcome to Own Tomorrow, a concept for modular aerial infrastructure. At the heart of this idea is a solar-powered mothership, a massive aircraft that never needs to land. Its wide, layered wings are embedded with solar panels, harvesting energy as it glides through the stratosphere. This mothership doesn't fly alone, it carries others. Beneath each wing are docking ports. Small autonomous passenger drones approach from below. With magnetic rings and automated guidance, they align and dock silently without turbulence. The process is seamless, clean, safe, and fast. Each mothership supports several drones per wing, like modular building blocks in the sky. While docked, the drones recharge and synchronize routes. They form a decentralized air mobility system that adapts to demand in real time. But this vision isn't only for people. Cargo drones detach and descend autonomously to delivery zones. Equipped with wheels and sliding doors, they handle packages, equipment, even emergency supplies. No roads, no traffic, no human driver. This is not just a machine, it's an idea. A vision of clean, modular, sky-based transportation, powered by renewable energy. Designed for autonomous connection, ready for the challenges of tomorrow. You're watching Own Tomorrow, where we imagine machines the world hasn't built yet. Subscribe to join the journey and help shape what's next.